Bananas, those ubiquitous yellow crescents of sweetness, harbor a secret. A secret that's not just about their taste or nutritional value, but something far more intriguing. A secret that might make you look at your breakfast in a whole new light. Imagine this. The bananas you casually add to your cereal or smoothie have a hidden characteristic that's quite extraordinary. Believe it or not, bananas are slightly radioactive. Yes, you heard that correctly. These everyday fruits contain a small amount of radiation. Yes, you read that right. Radioactive. But before you start worrying, let's delve deeper into what this actually means. Before you toss your fruit salad in terror, let me assure you this is not a cause for alarm. The radioactivity in bananas is incredibly low and poses no threat to your health. In fact, it's a natural part of their composition. The radioactivity in bananas is incredibly low and poses no threat to your health. This phenomenon is due to the presence of potassium-40. The secret to a banana's radioactivity lies in its potassium content. Potassium is a crucial element that plays a significant role in our daily lives, and bananas are one of the most well-known sources of this essential mineral. Potassium is an essential mineral vital for a healthy heart, muscle contractions, and nerve function. It helps maintain proper fluid balance, supports cellular function, and even aids in reducing blood pressure. Athletes often consume bananas to replenish their potassium levels after intense workouts. So, rest assured, those delicious bananas you enjoy are perfectly safe to eat. The amount of potassium-40 they contain is far too low to pose any threat to your health. In fact, the nutritional benefits of bananas far outweigh any theoretical risks from their minuscule radioactivity. Bananas are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a healthy and delicious snack. Don't let a bit of scientific trivia spoil your enjoyment of this versatile fruit. Benefits outweigh the risks. The next time you hear someone say, "Did you know bananas are radioactive?" you can impress them with your newfound knowledge. Explain that yes, bananas do contain a tiny amount of naturally occurring radioactive potassium-40, but it's far too low to be harmful. In fact, the potassium in bananas is essential for our health, and the benefits of eating this fruit far outweigh any theoretical risks from its minuscule radioactivity.